Power doesn't just change people, it changes systems. And once systems change, behavior follows, even if no one actually intends it to. Welcome to the Human Patterns Lab. We explain how human behavior actually works. When we think about power, we often focus on the power wielded by the individuals. Like who has the power, how are they using it, and whether they actually deserve it. But power is not just personal, it reorganizes the environment around it. It alters information flow, it changes incentives, it even reshapes the feedback. And those structural changes outlast any one person who can wield the power. In most organizations, information does not travel upward unchanged. As distance from power increases, signals weaken, concerns become cautious, disagreement becomes polite, data becomes summarized. This is not deception of any kind, it is adaptation. Over time, systems begin protecting stability more than the accuracy. Power also slows the correction process. When decision making becomes centralized, fewer people feel authorized to actually intervene. Warnings have to travel longer paths. Small issues wait for formal reviews. Adjustments require escalation. The result is delayed friction. And without friction, systems assume alignment. As power concentrates, incentives reorganize. People learn what is actually rewarded, such as loyalty, alignment, speed, and certainty. And they also realize what creates resistance, such as challenge, nuance, prolonged debate. No policy actually mandates this. It emerges naturally from the structure. Systems begin optimizing for stability, not the truth. These shifts don't require any manipulation. They emerge because systems simplify under the hierarchy. The more centralized the authority, the more streamlined communication becomes. But streamlining removes the variance, and variance often carries the earliest warnings. Over time, systems grow efficient, but less sensitive. Once these structural adjustments settle in, behavior normalizes around them. Decisions start to feel smoother, debate feels shorter, opposition feels rarer. Not because disagreement disappeared, but because the system learned how to filter it. The organization becomes calmer and less accurate. The danger isn't immediate failure in this regard, it's gradual narrowing. Over time, the blind spots expand. Correction becomes reactive rather than preventive. And systems that once felt responsive start feeling rigid, not because of people, but because of the structure. Power rarely destabilizes organization overnight. It reshapes the system quietly. And when systems shift, behavior follows, even if no one consciously changed their values. For explanation of more such human patterns, please follow the Human Patterns Lab.